In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook Email Fast 2025 Guide. We're doing this in Outlook on the web using a standard browser, and I'll walk you through the process from opening Outlook to applying clean, readable highlights to your message. Let's get started. First, open your browser, search for Microsoft Outlook, and sign in to your account. Use the same credentials you normally use. Once you're in, you'll land on the Outlook home experience. If you're not already in your inbox, click Mail. That brings you to your messages and folders and unlocks the compose tools we need. Next, click New Mail. You'll see a new message window appear, usually on the right side or centered on the screen, with the formatting toolbar along the bottom or top of the compose area. This toolbar is where the highlight controls live. Now type the content you want to include in the email. It can be a sentence, a paragraph, or a list. Whatever you plan to emphasize, the highlight feature works on any selected text in the message body. When your text is ready, select the part you want to draw attention to. Click and drag across the words to highlight your selection. If you want to format everything in the message body, a quick tip is to use your keyboard to select all at once. With the text selected, look at the formatting toolbar and find the highlighter control. It appears as a pencil icon and there's a small arrow next to it. Click that arrow to open the highlight color menu. This is important because the arrow reveals all available colors, not just the default. Make sure you're choosing the highlighter and not the font color tool, which is typically represented by a letter A. The highlighter adds a background color behind the text, while font color changes the text itself. From the color menu, choose the shade you want. Yellow is a classic, easy to read option, but you can pick any color that fits your message and keeps contrast high. The highlight applies immediately to your selected text, so you can see the result right away. If you change your mind, open the same menu and switch colors, or select no color to remove the highlight and return the text to normal. That's it. You opened Outlook, went to Mail, started a new message, typed your content, selected the text, opened the arrow next to the pencil icon, and chose a highlight color. Use highlights sparingly to guide your reader's eye to the most important details. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!